Okay, I am about to die. Okay, so you got this hot sauce here.
Why are you saying about to die? That's not good.
It's a joke. Anyways, that's my mom, guys. And then we got this one. You know, that's just for flavor. That's not gonna hurt me. But this right here, okay. So I put a lot because I wanted to see if I could survive without juice. I'm pretty sure I can't. But this is what the sauce looks like. If you don't like spicy, don't put a lot. So here goes nothing. Here goes nothing. I'm not feeling it right now. Oh, I'm good. I'm good. Say nothing.
Jada, I told you to put a seasoning on.
Mom, I'm making my video. I can't. Wait, no, yes I can. That was the first wing. Okay. Oh my god, it's starting to get into me. It's like making my mouth water. My top lip burn. Do you hear that crunch, guys? So good. These are homemade chicken wings from my mom. I'm used to that smoke. It's hot and a little spicy. Mom, get the tea kettle.
Oh, you gonna kill him. What he did to him? Did he choke him? Did he stick him with the thing?
I can't.
Honey, what he did to him? I can't watch it.
Mom, it's okay. Now my lip burning. Like, if you don't like hot stuff, don't get this. If you put a lot, your lips are gonna burn. I'm done. I'm done.